I know so many of you want this TikToker hairstyle, and I've done lots and lots of videos on it, but today I'm going to be going over the top 5 things you need to know and do in order to get this type of hairstyle. Number 1, have the right hair texture. So hair texture plays a very, very important role in whatever hairstyle you're trying to accomplish. Now, in my video here, and in many, many, many videos, I've used this mannequin. This mannequin, believe it or not, has pin straight hair. All right, there's no wave, there's no curl. It's very, very silky, and it is very, very straight. All right. The reason I'm able to get this hair style like this is because the hair texture is so easy to work with and manipulate that it takes to product very, very well. It takes to a haircut very well. So the first thing is make sure you have the right hair texture for this. If you have naturally wavy hair, you're one step ahead of the game. However, your hair may not flip exactly like this. You're gonna have a similar type of texture or style, just with more curls or waves, okay? So that's the first thing, is the hair texture. The second biggest thing is having the right haircut. You need to have the right haircut. You need to go to somebody who really understands hair. I would suggest maybe going to a hairstylist as opposed to maybe a barber. But if you, whoever you're going to, make sure they really understand the layering process and how hair cutting works. Every type of haircut you do, whatever you're cutting, there's gonna be a reaction to it, all right? Meaning if I cut this the wrong way, the hair is gonna react differently, that it may prohibit you from getting that specific style. So make sure that you're finding someone who really understands how to cut hair properly. And in this situation, you can see that, you know, we've got a lot of movement and texture in through here, and keep mind of the length, okay? It's not way up here, but the hair is actually to the bridge of the nose. So it's a little bit on the longer side, believe it or not. And that's how you're able to get all of this. So you can see when I bring this hair back this way, then I can kind of manipulate it, and look, all of a sudden we've got the style just because of the way it's cut, and there you go. But all of this is layered in through here, but you have to keep in mind that look how long the hair is throughout the top here. It's also fairly long. So all of this comes down to a certain point. And then between here and here, it's all layered. And as you can see, as I'm bringing the hair up this way, all of this is kind of a more rounded shape in through here, layering all of this hair, all right? And you can see closely, if you don't have any of this hair layered, that's why it's all shorter in through here, the hair is not gonna flip up, all right? You're not gonna be able to get that movement or that texture. So if you take the hair upside down, you'll see in through here, okay, all of this is layered. See all that movement and bounce? Because all this hair is cut in through here, like that. It's a really good illusion, right? A really good demonstration here so you can see what's happening. Then you flip the hair upside down. Yes, all the hair is gonna flop down, but the reason we're able to get all that flip and movement and body and all that in here is because it's cut properly, all right? The third thing is make sure you have the right products, okay? Now, on my website, shop.TheSalonGuy.com, we created a TikToker hairstyle kit. This has been months and months and months of research, using this on people, using this stuff on TikTokers, finding the right products. So we've got we call it the TikToker hairbrush. It's a 2-inch ceramic ionic round brush. There's technology in this brush that actually, what it does, it helps dry the hair faster. It prevents, you know, damaging your hair because of the ceramic barrel on here, and it helps smooth the hair out more. So you got a lot of technology in this brush. And to make sure it's legit, you can see it's got my logo on it right there, the Salon Guy. These were custom made for me. The perfect brush in order to get this style. And you can see it wraps the hair around the barrel perfectly, and this is all you really need to get this style as far as a brush goes, all right? Next, you've got Tidal Wave, literally my #1 selling product. This has been, if you don't know, it's been reformulated to have better hold, more texture, and updated fragrance. So if you weren't a fan of the original Tidal Wave, which like so many people were, you all are going to love this. I tested this day and night, like made sure that it's gonna be an improvement over the previous version, because I had to, you know, as a stylist, I'm looking for very specific things. So this is an updated formula. It's been out for a number of months now. So you got Tidal Wave. This is a pre-styler. You spray this on when the hair is wet. It's gonna help give you that texture. But also, this is great for anyone. Men, women, you have longer hair, you want to enhance your waves, you want something that says you set it and forget it, it's going to give you that beautiful beachy texture, Tidal Wave. Then I always get a question, well, how do I get it to stay in place? Locked. Locked hairspray also has been updated to where now you're getting more product. It's got a bit of more powerful type of hold to it, so you're going to get a little bit stronger hold than the previous locked hairspray. And then this is what's going to help you lock it in place. It's a matte finish, and there you go. If you use code YouTube20, you get 20% off at shop.thesalonguy.com and free shipping in the United States. Also, last but not least, I've got my own blow dryer, all right? So the great thing about this blow dryer, you can fold it in half like this for travel size. It also comes with this nozzle. It's got a magnetic attachment, and it comes with a diffuser. If you're looking to get a bit more wave and scrunch your hair, it comes with a diffuser. So right now we're only shipping these in the United States because of the power, the voltage with the plug. So we had a little bit of an issue with that. So unfortunately, we can only sell these in the United States currently. But the blow dryer too. You can get all of this stuff and use code YouTube20 and get 20% off and free shipping. Okay? And so many of you use it, the code, and receive those benefits. So next, number 4, make sure that you are showing photographs of the TikToker hairstyle that you want to the person that is cutting your hair, AKA communication. Make sure you communicate what type of style you want, okay? If, for example, you have a picture of a TikToker and their hair is like this, okay, kind of like old school Vinnie Hackerish like this, but your hair currently is like this, and you're like, I want my hairstyle to be like, you know, here's me and I want this. Well, unfortunately, your hair is not long enough, okay? So that stylist, that professional should be telling you, sorry man, but your hair is not long enough, you gotta come back. So communicate, okay? Communicate with what you want, and just literally save photographs to your phone. Save photographs and show them to your stylist. Don't worry about measurements and lengths. Just be like, this is what I'm looking for. Can I get it? Is my hair able to do this? Ask questions and communicate. Lastly, number 5, analyze your hair first. Before you even go in, make an appointment, do all this stuff, sit there and look at yourself in the mirror and look at your hair, okay? And say to yourself, well, my hair is this right now, okay? And I want this hairstyle. I saved all these photos and I want this. Is my hair long enough? Do I have the right hair texture for it? Blah, 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 blah. Obviously, there's a big difference. So before you go in and make an appointment, okay, you need to understand and realize that your own hair is nowhere near this. So what you have to do is self-analyze. Before you go in and make an appointment and just waste your money and waste everyone's time, you need to look and what are you seeing in the mirror? Is your hair long enough? Does it come down to here? Do you have, you know, plenty of hair to work with on top? If anything, you know, is it a little bit on the longer side? So you may be able to go in and say, all right, you know what? My hair is down to here. I think I can go in and look, I can get some volume. Mess around with your own hair and see how it reacts. Okay, look at your hair type, look at your hair texture. If you have dry, frizzy, fried hair, super curly, kinky, wavy, whatever it is, and you're seeing pictures of styles that you want, and they all have silky, straight, smooth, you know, blonde, brown hair, whatever it is, chances are you may not be able to achieve that style. So be very realistic. It's like you want a perfect body, you want to be all muscular and ripped and toned, but when you look in the mirror and you're not seeing that, okay, you're not seeing that. You're not you don't have that shape, so you have to get in shape. So it's the same thing with hair. Or you're 5'3" and you want to be 6'2". Okay, it's not going to happen. You have to be realistic with what you're working with. So please, let me know if you found all of these 5 tips very, very helpful. I still get comments every single day on TikToker hair and how do I get it and why can't I get it and blah, blah. So please let me know if you found this video helpful. Don't forget, use code YouTube20. Check out the products at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.